So it's rainy. Usually I don't like rainy days, but I'm loving it today. We need the rain. I'm tired of talking about wildfire danger. It's been so incredibly dry. This is not going to bust the drought by any means, but it does help to settle things down. It'll turn smoky now as some of those fires are put out from the rain, but steady showers all day long. We could definitely use it, as now some communities are even going as far as doing some water restrictions. Gusty winds east-northeast 30 to 40 and snow chances too. That's exciting up in the mountains. A mix to wet snowflakes as soon as tonight into part of the weekend, just in time to open up those slopes for ski season beginning next week in many spots. And commute impacts, if you're traveling anywhere across the Northeast here, noon through this evening, the worst as we see these repeated isolated showers and downpours. Overnight through tomorrow morning, improving conditions, still a low impact with some residual rain from overnight, but we do have the heaviest stuff pivoting more towards northern New England as the day goes on. So across Boston, we're getting a slug of heavy rain. Look at all those lightning strikes off the coast, off of Nantucket. That's way far enough away that I'm not concerned any of that actually moves onto the shore. We do have some steady showers, but I've been watching the radar returns, and it seemed like we were going to get inundated with some significant rain across Boston. But it's interesting, when we do have a drought type situation like this and extreme drought conditions, it's almost like things are drying up a little bit before we can get that rain squeezed out from the clouds. So in Boston, we have some showers, but all of a sudden the rain is breaking up. I don't like that trend on radar. Waltham, Cochituate, we have towards Framingham and even Milford, Metfield, and Franklin. Steady showers still, so it looks promising. This morning we had some rates of ½ an inch to an inch per hour. It has lowered at this hour to about ¼ inch to ½ an inch per hour. We'll take whatever we can get, but we may struggle to get to an inch in some spots. Lowell, Lawrence, Bedford, we still have some of those showers, but they are breaking apart. New Bedford to the Vineyard, Nantucket, steady rain. Worcester to Amherst, we have breaks back in central Mass, and then up north into New Hampshire, some scattered showers from Danbury through Manchester. As we go through the hour-by-hour timing, the radar's still pretty positive that we'll get decent showers filling back in on radar, and another batch of rain moving in from the south, even overnight tonight as a surface low develops. That's what's going to be responsible for giving us all these gusty winds as well. And soon the wind will turn. We get some drier air and training itself into this storm by tomorrow morning. 7:15 you wake up and we have some wet roads and wet leaves, but we're dry. Additional showers are expected late afternoon, early evening as we get those showers pushing in from the south and east. Plenty of moisture to tap into, so over the next couple of days, still going with around an inch of rain accumulation, some more, some less, depending on where the heaviest stuff sets up. How about the winds? Well, it's going to be late today where we see the peak gusts up to 40 miles per hour, diminishing winds by Friday morning and Friday afternoon. Looking ahead today, tonight, tomorrow, yep, lots of rain, cool temperatures. It's a raw feel as well. And this weekend, all around Saturday and Sunday, we have lingering chances for at least some showers, breezy conditions Sunday, and then also a chance for cool air leading into next week. How about travel weather? Maybe you're flying somewhere next week, Tuesday through Thursday, or even after Thanksgiving. So this is Thanksgiving as we look at the United States here. Notice across New England, we have an incoming system. Now, this is pretty wishy-washy on the forecast models, I'll tell you that, but there's something that we're watching around Thanksgiving. As we look at the 10-day, there you see consistently cooler temps and a cornucopia of unsettled weather.
Oh, Spuds, Florida, on that national forecast I saw there. RSVP me as a yes. Sounds fun.